Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's polar white. Underneath it is a 3-liter inline-6 turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights. 20-inch twin 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. An espresso brown MB Tex interior, sunroof. In the back we've got rear captain's chairs, rear climate controls, third row seating. GLS 450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, trailer hitch, clean set of floor mats, all season and regular, fold down third row seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with a blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, a natural grain brown walnut trim, heated and cooled seats, ambient lighting, power windows, illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, 12.3-inch instrument cluster, 12.3-inch media display, which is now touchscreen, rear view backup camera, navigation. New to Mercedes-Benz is our Mercedes-Benz user experience. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, hey my Mercedes.
Please repeat.
Turn ambient lights to green.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
And as simple as that, you're able to give it voice commands. Dual climate controls, wireless charging, cup holders, our new touchpad for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLS 450 has 4,413 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.